Okay, today is July 14th, and we got a rough one today. So it took two L's today. Let's get into how, you know, we lost a bunch of money today. Okay. So market opens, right here. Playing around, then we have this nice rundown. ES, same thing right here. NQ is definitely a little bit weaker today, in the beginning. So I wanted to look for sales, and I was targeting these equal lows. Oh, by the way, no news. And as you can see, this big new week opening gap. So I was targeting these relatively equal lows, and as you can see on ES, that we have an SMT here. Um, so after this move down, I was looking to see it come hit this um fair value gap. I just got in just before the macros, so I thought we were gonna hit this fair value gap and then continue just to sweep those lows. That was not the case. Okay, next trade. After that, um, I had this fair value gap marked out. Um, and as you can see, after this push up above, we play around in this fair value gap, dip down into this one. Bodies of the candles respecting this new week opening gap. This is the old one, as you can see. It's not these lines. And after that, I see it's kind of like bouncing just above or just below the first presented fair value gap. So I'm looking for longs at this point after it invalidated that trade idea and ES ripped above these highs. And so I was looking, seeing it being retracing a little bit, and I was going to think it's continue to go higher to fill in this new week opening gap. As you can see right here. Um, right here. When we go back to NQ, and that was the case. I got in right after it dropped and then immediately pushed back up. I got in right there. Stops was below here because if it went below here, that trade idea would have been invalidated. Now, you would have think, oh, how did you lose on this trade? So I got in right here, and then I got in again somewhere up there, and for whatever reason, I moved my stop. I moved this trade stop to break even, and then this was the new stop for this trade. And as you can see, dip down below, hit this order block right here, and it stopped me out. So, moral of the story is, I probably should have kept my stops where they were, for sure, just because one, no new structure was made until we got here in this new low, and two, um, I mainly move my stops to mitigate risk, but I probably shouldn't have entered in again. And I entered in again because I lost this first trade, that first sale, and I wanted to make more money. So those are a couple reasons why I, lost this trade. Um, and I was targeting these relatively equal highs, and then I also had these relatively equal highs marked out as which would have been my second take profit. And as you can see, um, it would have been hit today, which kind of sucks. So today, I guess you can call it, I did do a little bit of revenge trading. Um, didn't really stick to my plan, which caused me to lose money. Our initial bias was wrong, but we did we did not mirror our bias. We saw what market was giving us, and we flipped biases. And as you can see, it played out well. ES also ripped up, and it just sucks. But tomorrow we do have news, or we have CPI, we have PPI, we have unemployment claims this week. So hopefully the rest of the week should be pretty decent. Yeah. Days like this suck, but it's part of the game. It's part of learning. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Safe trading.